Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia and I'm in Jamaica. Today I am doing a renovation. Yes, you know that we're all about the real estate. So sell houses, renovate houses, build houses. So this is a renovation. What you're looking at here is a kitchen hanging out in this space. No, I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you what it was before, but you can get an idea. So this was a totally open space. So what we're doing, we're going to be partitioning off this is a drywall, right? So we're not using drywall, we're using concrete board because this is now where the kitchen is going to be. So a kitchen and bathroom will be back to back. So we use what is called concrete board. It is waterproof, fireproof, and we also soundproof it, and it's also termite resistant, right? So, as you can see, we're running in the electrics in the drywall, in the concrete board. Well, it's a drywall, you know, a drywall it off. So, this is what's going to be used for the soundproofing of it. So it will go in between. So this is going to be used as a bedroom now. So we're actually roughed in a bathroom right here. Right, so I see toilet pipe. We're blanking out some electrical that was running in this space. So we'll blank it out and tile over it. This is your shower space, and that space is for the pedestal that's going to be going in. And we put a plug here, so you can use your blow dryer and stuff. Now this is a special kind of plug, right? GCFI it's called. It trips if any water gets in it, right? So you don't cause a fire and burn down the place. So that's the electrics, and then what we did to ensure that the electrics went above the shower area, so we didn't take it behind it, or so we try to avoid electrics and water pipes running in the space. All right, so just in case we have to cut out that mixer, we have enough space. All right, so basically, all right, so this one don't have any window, so we're not putting in a window. What we're gonna do, we're gonna leave venting up in the top here. All right, so we leave out some windows up in the top. All right, so this now. So right here, so this was actually a wall. So this had a window. I didn't get to show you before. So we actually hit it out so that we could actually put another door here. So we'll soon put the door in, putting that into the, and so we're doing some changes right through. Right here, we're going to put a little kitchenette. You'll see that. We're not doing anything with this bathroom. So in here is another bedroom. So this is the original kitchen where we tore down all the cabinets from. So this is going to be a bedroom. So we're just going to clean it up and paint the walls. And we're going to clean up in here as well. So that's the window that came out from where I was showing you. And then back here, we're trying to see if we can put a little storeroom. So we're going to frame this up as well, this space here. And clean up the backyard nicely. All right, so that's downstairs. See you in the next video for the upstairs, all right? Thank you so much. Remember, buy real estate and be great to yourself.